Hey there, I just received this portable laptop monitor from ARZOPA. Let's get this thing unboxed, and then I'm going to head out on my bike, I'm going to shoot some video, and I'm going to take my laptop and this monitor with me so I can edit some video out in the field. And it's also got this fold-out kickstand. This is a 16-inch screen. It is a 2.5K monitor. In the package, we also have a user manual, a warranty card, an HDMI cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and also a USB-A to USB-C cable. Okay, I'm going to take the monitor, my laptop, I'm going to pack them in a bag, and I'm going to get ready to go do a ride. I'm going to shoot some video footage, and then I'll set up a workstation right on the site so I can do some editing on site.
A few moments later.
Cut out in editing. This ARZOPA monitor can run off of your computer through 3 different connections. HDMI, and you can see here, my laptop has an HDMI port here, and this cable would run from here and plug into the HDMI port on the side of the monitor here. It can also run via USB Type-C to USB Type-C with no additional power needed or any additional cables. All the video signal and the power would run through here. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate here right now. So this computer has a Type-C port that's also a display port. So I'm going to plug that in right here, and then around to the side. On this side you have an HDMI port and 2 USB Type-C inputs that can input a video signal and also power if you need additional power. So I'm going to plug that in right here. So let me turn this on first. So here you can see I'm out in the field and I'm editing some of the footage that we got to make a video about our ride. And you can see this ARZOPA monitor, how well it works. Adding the additional screen gives me more area to work on so I can work more efficiently and see more of what I'm doing as opposed to have everything condensed onto a single laptop screen. As you can see, I'm in an outdoor environment where it's bright and sunny, and this ARZOPA monitor is plenty bright so I can see everything that's going on, all my video files. So this is a great monitor for anybody that's on the go and needs to work, whether you're a video editor, content creator, or this would also be good for people who trade stocks on the internet and they constantly have the need to check their different graphs and their different stock tickers. This would be great for anybody that's traveling. It's, as you can see, it's really compact. The screen itself, it's a 16-inch screen, diagonal, the same size. This is a 15.4-inch monitor, but as you can see, they're pretty much almost the same size, so I can throw that right in my bag, can ride my bike with it. This is a fantastic monitor, once again, for anybody that's on the move and having a need to work wherever they are. Once again, this monitor needs no external power. It can draw power right from a single USB Type-C cord. In this case, it's drawing power from the laptop. In the event that you did need additional power, say for example, your device did not provide enough power to run it, you can plug in your video cable, and also in the second USB-C port here, you can plug in a second cable to another USB port to double up on the power, or plug this into something external like a power bank or even a wall socket if you have one available. Another great thing about this ARZOPA monitor is that it can also be used as a screen extender for your mobile phone, tablet, or other mobile device. Once again, I'm going to take the USB-C cable, plug it directly into the data and charge port on my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy phone which supports DeX, and as you see now my phone can be used much like a desktop computer. Okay, as you can see here, my phone screen is now shown in a large format on the ARZOPA monitor. Because my Samsung phone has a DeX feature, the phone now can act as a touchscreen. Now, because the monitor is pulling power from the phone, I can't increase the brightness too much on the screen. If I was able to plug in an external power source, then I could get full brightness. But as you can see here, you can see the pointer on the screen. I can go to all my files here, and this is all from my Android phone. So this is a great monitor to be used with as an external second monitor with both laptops and your mobile device.